This is Themisto brand glue gun, just 20 watts. It's actually enough for the usage and wide range of application, ideal for arts and crafts, high temperature bonding. As they mentioned, it is very useful. I'm doing this after 1 year of using this product because of this thing. See, there is cuts after using of 1 to 2 years, so I have used glue gun for rectifying this problem using Fevicol and so many other things. It was not enough for me. There was cut over there and here. After using the glue gun, now I am very happily able to use it without any problem for this product. That's why I am doing this video. You can make it as a tip for your Bluetooth earphones also to fix the problem. So coming to the product, I was brought this set to only 179 rupees from Amazon. Right now it is currently priced 188 rupees, including all delivery fees. It is coming. Actually there is no delivery fee, free of cost they are sending. So they sent I think 10 plus glue gun sticks they have sent. Simply we have to use this by placing in the plug and adding this stick like this, and after 3 to 4 minutes of turning on the switch, we have to use like this. Then the gum comes from this nozzle over here. It will be very heat during the usage. Don't panic, you have to stand like this after the usage. These are the things you have to follow. There was menu also, I have removed it because it's been already 1 year, right? So uses over here they have mentioned some of the things. Look at this: metal, wood, glass, stone, fabric, paper, cardboard, all type of the products that can be used, and the instructions how to use. Insert the glue gun stick, plug in, 3 to 5 minutes preheat and pull the trigger. That's the how you need to do. And MRP they mentioned here is 599 rupees. This brand of the product is nicely working. Previously I thought it might be damaged after use, and also I thought it is very cheap in price, coming to the price, but definitely it is a fine product and enough, because they are not using any costly equipment over here, right? That's why it is costing just 179 rupees for me. Now it is trading at 188 rupees. So that's it for the video regarding this glue gun. Whoever required these kind of things, as I shown in the box backside, you can use this glue gun. Thanks for watching. Please do share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for the channel, and whatever the videos you want, please do comment that also. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.